Hi, boys and girls. Today is Monday, April 20th. I hope you had a nice weekend. Today we're going to talk about arrays. Here's the word array, A-R-R-A-Y. Hopefully you remember this. This is review. It's something we learned about already, and it's very important because an array helps us get ready to multiply for when we go to third grade and we do more multiplication. Okay, so the word is array. Two things you have to know, or I think are important to know when we're talking about arrays, are the words row and column. Okay, row and column. A row goes this way. A row is horizontal. Okay, a column is vertical. The way I have my class remember the difference is for a column, maybe you've seen a movie that, or maybe your house has columns in it. Sometimes they're white. So sometimes we might see columns on a porch or inside an old house, or sometimes in like shows that have mansions, they have big columns in the house and they go up and down this way. They are vertical, okay? Vertical means it goes up and down, it's standing up. A row is horizontal, it's laying down, okay? So when we do arrays, we use rows and columns. So let me tell you what I'm talking about here, okay? So if we had a problem that said, we'll go with Brady. Brady has, I'll write it down here. Brady has 5 baseballs in 3 boxes. 5 baseballs each in 3 boxes. Okay, this would be a problem we can do an array with. Okay, there's 5 baseballs each in 3 boxes. Okay, so we can use rows to represent the boxes. Okay, there's 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. There's 5 baseballs in each of the 3 boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that was box number 1. Box number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Box number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you look here, there's my 3 rows, but then there's also columns. Each column has the same number in it, okay? So yes, you could have drawn pictures. If that was easier, you could have drawn 3 boxes and put 5 baseballs in each of the 3 boxes, okay? But this is what an array actually looks like. It has rows and columns. So then to figure out our answer of how many baseballs, if we wanted to know how many baseballs total Brady has, we would just count all the baseballs. But here's the thing, these are groups of 5, right? So we could go 5, 10, 15. Okay, and now that array helped us figure out that Brady has 15 baseballs altogether. So this array could look like this. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15, okay? I could do it a little differently and look at the columns and do 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. I could do 3 5 times. Also equals 15, okay? So if you notice, this is kind of the neat thing. Oh, I erased part of my, oh no, I didn't, there it is. So here's the number 5, right? And here's the number 3. So here's 5, 1, 2, 3 times. Here's 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. This problem, if we were going to change it to multiplication, would be 3, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 15. Or it would be 5. All I do is flip these. 5, 1, 2, 3 times. Okay? So an array is helping you get ready for multiplication. So it's kind of fun to do. Okay? Let's do one more together, and then we're going to practice these again tomorrow. So remember, an array actually shows you rows and columns. So let's do Carmelo has 6 pencils. I'm going to change that. Carmelo has 2 boxes with 6 pencils in each. Okay? And we want to know how many pencils he has all together. Carmelo has 2 boxes with 6 pencils in each. Okay? So these boxes are our rows. So I need to draw 1, 2 rows. There's my 2 boxes. 1, 2. Okay? And then how many pencils go in each of these boxes? 6. There's 6 in each of the boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 boxes, 1, 2, with 6 pencils in each. So there's our rows. And then if we look this way, they are also in columns, okay? So this could be 6 plus 6 equals 12 is how we would write that, okay? 6 in the first box, 6 in the second box equals 12 pencils. If we want to look ahead towards 3rd grade, this would also be 2 rows with 6 pencils on each equals 12. Or we could flip it and do 6 pencils in 2 rows. 2 times is 12, okay? So our answer is 12 for that. So we'll practice those more tomorrow. You can have lemonade, yep. All right, boys and girls, I'll see you tomorrow.